Hi everyone, and welcome back to the 250 bird challenge. This year we're trying to see 250 different bird species. This morning we are at Tommy Thompson Park. We're into spring for certain now, you can tell, because all of the footpaths from the melting snow are flooded. So we're starting in the wetwoods at Tommy Thompson Park. It's maybe a little bit early in the season to see too much new anyway, but we are hearing and seeing red-winged blackbirds, robins, chickadees. We've had some goldfinch fly over. What am I missing?
Song sparrows.
Song sparrows are starting to sing now on top of their perches. But that's about it so far, but we'll continue through the wetwoods and then enter into the park proper. We're just passing the marina now to see what's hanging out here. A few minutes ago we heard a killdeer, but we don't count things we only hear. Since we didn't see it, we're not counting it, but maybe we'll run into that at some point. In the meantime, let's keep going. In a bit of a dip of shelter here, but the wind this morning is appalling, which is why I've now got my hood up, even though it's a rain hood. It's all I've got with me. Nothing much in the marina really. Buffleheads, long-tailed ducks, a white-winged scoter we think, mergansers, some mute swans. Yeah, nothing much to show you so far. I think the wind is keeping some of the smaller birds away, but we'll press on and see what else we find here today.
Let's take a look out into the waters of what is called Cell 1 and Cell 2. There's a few different species here, but it's probably just easier if I name them and circle them for you. Oh, but what's this? Well, okay, we've already seen one of these earlier this year when we visited Hamilton, but we didn't notice this one at the time. It's a green-winged teal. As well as mallards, there's a few gadwalls here too. Oh, and look, here's a male northern shoveler. Over on the bank there's two male wood ducks. We did see a female earlier this year in Niagara, so this doesn't count as a new bird, but they are our first males. Oh, and here's a couple of American coots. Oh, flippin' heck, how did we miss these? Here's some more green-winged teals. Let's move on and take a look at what is known here at Tommy Thompson Park as Cell 3.
That was pretty cool. Eastern meadowlark just flew over us, landed in a tree. Weren't sure exactly what it was to begin with, but that's one of my favourite birds. I mean, I could give you 20 favourite birds, but it's one of them anyway. You don't see too many of those in the city these days. Yeah, so finally, we've seen quite a lot today, but nothing new until that point. We now have our first of the year to add on to our tally of 250.
Alright everyone, I did film an outro to this video, but as you'll have noticed, it was really windy today, and unfortunately, the sound was awful. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. We saw a lot of stuff today, mostly waterfowl, but the eastern meadowlark was a highlight. It was the only new species today. Here's a list of what we saw through our trip. But before I go, I've been checking out the weather forecast and things are finally getting warmer in the next few days. I'm confident that the next video is going to see some newly arrived spring migrants and that we'll add a few new birds to our list of 250 species. Thank you everyone for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you enjoyed these videos, it's a huge help if you subscribe. Just click the red subscribe button. It'll help you to catch future videos. I also really appreciate likes and comments. They help this video get out there to people who may not have seen my videos before. Once again, thanks for watching. Stay warm. Happy birding.